I will show you how to use Instacart app. Just you have to watch and follow this video till the end. Open Instacart like this. And right now, after opening your Instacart, as you can see, it's open directly here on the home page. So for delivering free, you have to spend like $10. So for me, for example, if I want to buy something, I would just search it here or just search it here on this page. For example, I wanna buy this, just click here, and also this, click here, and I would choose also this and this. So right now, what I have to do to buy, I will just click here, and it's going to take me to this page. So I will check that this is the right thing that I want to buy, and I will click go to check out. Next, here I have to add like my address, for example this one, and click save address. And right now I will add my card number and click continue. And after that I will add like a payment method, for example debit or credit card, and I will buy right now from Instacart, easy and quick. So the application of Instacart is very useful. I hope you find this video useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.